So I'm feeling a bit sassy today. I don't know if it's the hair, I don't know if it's the weather, I don't know if it's these hot lights that are making me sweat, but I am going to be judging you. Yes, you right there, you and your skincare routine. I'm giving you 7 reasons why I am judging your skincare routine. Nothing personal, it's actually all fun, it's not a personal attack. If you do any of these, however, you should be arrested. You and your dog should be arrested, and that should be the end of you. Jokes, because some people take things seriously. Hey guys, it's video editing crusty Cheedz. I'm in the crust. I just want to do like a little disclaimer. Nothing serious, just that this video I did film it like some time ago, but it was just one of those that I couldn't upload just because I was going through it. But I was like, you know, it was really edited and stuff, and I'm just kind of like fixing it a little bit. But yeah, here it is, a fun short little video. Hope you guys enjoy. Also, it's dark because Cyril, so the ghetto of the ghetto. Okay, so reason number 1 as to why I'm judging your skincare routine is that you're not consistent. This is simple. This is, you get a new skincare routine, you buy some stuff, you try it out, you know, the first few days you're excited, you know, that first week when you have something new, it's exciting, but then you kind of just like fall off, and we've kind of all been here, so I should be arrested myself. Lock me up. Locked up, they won't let me. Throwback. Anyway, it's just not following through and not giving, you know, the products a chance to work. You're kind of just like excited in the moment and then you fall off, which is okay. It happens. Life happens. Lord knows life happens. I mean, look at 2020. But then you can't complain about the routine not working or the products not working because you weren't consistent. And this kind of ties into reason number 2 as to why I'm judging your skincare routine, and that is that you want quick results. I mean, obviously we live in an age where instant gratification, I mean, in terms of all industries, is the thing, but you know, with skincare, it's just one of those things. You kind of have to give it a month, or they say 28 days to be specific, in order to see actual benefits of the product, in order to see if it's working. In a week, I mean, there are some things that immediately you'll see an effect, like if something's like plumping, yes, once you put on that cream, you'll see your skin is juicy, hydrated, whatever. But if you're using things like acids or anti-aging things like retinoids, you really have to give them a chance for, you know, your skin to renew itself, for them to really just work, for your skin to get used to them. None of this, I'm using it today, next week you're messaging me, asking me why is this thing not working. It ain't working because you didn't give it a chance to work, boo. Who gonna check me, boo?
You need to watch yourself before you get checked. Who gonna check me, boo?
So yeah, so just be patient with skincare. It's one of those things, you know, I mean, if you've had a problem with your skin for a while, you can't expect to fix it in a few days, you know, it goes hand in hand. I feel like I was choking on my words there. I just need some air. Whew. So my advice there for the first 2 reasons why I'm judging you is that be consistent, and also just, you know, try and give the products a chance. Reason number 3 as to why I'm judging your skincare routine would be that you're still using face wipes. It's 2021. I think we kind of all know by now that face wipes, especially if you're wearing makeup, really aren't helping to clean your skin, your face. They're kind of just moving everything around. It's, yes, a little bit will come off, like obviously if you swipe it and you'll look at it, there'll be some remnants of your makeup, but it's really not doing much. And I mean, I've spoken about this a lot. Sometimes, you know, when you're really turned, you kind of want to do the bare minimum. That's the utmost bare minimum. That's really doing the least, and it's okay, but it's your skin. Face wipes are convenient, but don't rely on them as a cleansing stage. Rather do your double cleanse. Especially if you're wearing makeup, even if you're wearing sunscreen, you really want to just do your double cleanse, oil cleanser, and then your water-based cleanser to remove everything. So this is more just about not cleansing properly, and I find that a lot of skincare issues can actually come down to not cleansing properly. You know, a lot of problems can be eradicated if you actually do cleanse your skin properly, double cleanse, and do all that. Stop using face wipes, because there you need to be arrested. They're also not good for the environment. If you care about that stuff, we all should, but some people care more, so also remember that. Number 4, we're all guilty of it. It happens to all of us, because sometimes you got places to go, you got people to see, you need to figure something out, and that is popping your pimples. I mean, I love watching Dr. Pimple Popper, but I mean, she's literally a doctor, so she's allowed to properly pop pimples. No home popping, no in the streets popping. You're actually just gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna cause an irritation, you're just gonna spread bacteria. So this we know, I mean, this we're taught from a young age. Don't pop your pimples, but sometimes we do it, we shouldn't, but such is life. But don't do it. So I'm gonna say I had a situation over here that luckily wasn't like a proper like pimple that I really had to, I just kind of scratched it off, which I also shouldn't. So don't pop and pick at your pimples. Number 5 kind of ties in with number 4, is to not touch your face. This is a bad habit that most of us have. You know, our hands touched some nasty things the other day. Our hands are just all over the place. Now we're a bit more careful because we're sanitizing, we are washing our hands for 20 seconds, all that stuff. But got a phone call, so I got a bit distracted. But we're talking about touching your face and how it just ends up spreading bacteria from the things you've touched around. Nothing is safe anymore. Nothing is, you touch this and then you touch your face, you don't know what's on there. I mean, when last was this, like, it's probably dusted, but I mean, it's not the cleanest. So make sure not to touch your face, because that can cause types of acne and just nastiness. Don't do it. If you want to get into a fight with me, try touch my face. Number 6 is not, and this is probably one of my most important reasons as to why I am judging your skincare routine. Number 6 is not layering your skincare correctly. And by that, I actually have a video on layering, I'll put it down below. And by that, I mean you are using your skincare products in the wrong order. And it's very important that you use them in the right order, because, for example, if you use an essence after a moisturizer, it's not going to penetrate your skin because your moisturizer might have created a barrier. So it's very important that you read instructions or know the types of products that you are using. It's very important to understand these products, because it's easy for me to tell you to go buy an essence, but you don't know what an essence is, what it's meant to do, where it's meant to go. You put it in the wrong spot and then you're kind of wasting your money. And some of these products are very expensive, so you don't want to waste your money, waste your time. Time is money, and you know, using them incorrectly and then complain that it's not working. Meanwhile, you put in the wrong step of your whole routine, and that's just something very simple to fix, and that can make a big difference to your overall skin appearance and the results of your skincare routine. So remember to layer correctly. I've got a layering video. Reason number 7 why I am judging you and your whole family, is because this one's quite easy. I thought about putting this in or leaving it out because I've spoken about this so many times. Not wearing sunscreen. We're not going to get too into it. Wear your sunscreen. You need to wear sunscreen every single day. Every single day. If you're not wearing your sunscreen, don't come to me and talk about skincare. That's a wrap. We're not going to get into it anymore because I'm tired, you're tired, we're all tired. My camera's tired of hearing about sunscreen. My mic probably shuts down when we talk about sunscreen. So just wear your sunscreen and then we can discuss our next and future plans. So those are 7 reasons as to why I am judging your skincare routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's some other videos for you guys to watch. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also make sure to leave comments down below. Guys, all these things help with the algorithm. They help with my channel. They help, you know, with my life, because